Hey, welcome to Thrifty Fly DIY. I'm your hostess, Denise Joy, a bona fide DIY geekster for life. Here on this channel, you are in for a real treat. I bring you how-to videos, product reviews, tips, and some pretty dope-nificent before and after makeovers. So if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. You will not regret it. Leave a comment on those videos as well. It really means a lot to me. Hit the thumbs up. Come on, y'all. Come on. Bring it. If you are interested in things that are going to help you transform your life inside and out, I bring you the inspiration, the motivation, and the empowerment to help you do exactly that. Thanks so much for stopping by, because I gotta exit stage right. It's time for me to go change and put on some work clothes because it's time to get into this work, y'all. I can't wait to bring you the next amazing, dope-nificent DIY project so you can transform your space inside and out.